Hi guys. Oh my goodness, look at Lily. Let's see. Hi Lily. She's a little bit difficult because her hair is so long and I don't like my new trimmer, but if she get agitated then I take a break, you know, not to stress her out. But overall she's doing good. It's okay, Mouse. Doesn't hurt her. Like for instance, I have to check the big one there. She has this is such an awkward little thing. I don't like it at all. Okay, like you guys see here, it's look how big is this, Lily? Miss Lily, it's okay, it doesn't hurt. 3 more, okay? Let's do it all the way, okay? Some of them they're longer than the others, but she's doing good, right, Lily? Let's see. Look, good kitty.